Okay, so we're trying to figure out the slowest typing speed and the median. So we know that the average, so if you sum up your numbers, you got 4 people, the average is 45. And if you solve that equation for the numerator, the sum of the values, it would be 4 times 45, which is 180. See if we can use that. And the other thing we know, average was 45, and the range is 40. And the median of the 4 speeds is equal to Isabella's. Okay, so I got 4 people. Here are my 4 people. And of course, think about the median. I want those to be in increasing order. And let's use our answers to help us get our answer. Let's say that 25 was the slowest. Well, if 25 was the slowest and the range is 40, that means this would have to be 65, right? 65 minus 25 gives you 40, and that's how you find the range. So that's 180, the sum is 180, and then 25 plus 65, 25 plus 65, 5 and 5 is 10, 6 and 8, 9. That would be 90 left over, and that means this would have, we know the range of the 4 and we know the average of the 4 speed. That means this would have to be 45 and 45. So they're in increasing order, that works. The median would be 45, that's gonna work. I believe it's gonna be 45 here, and the slowest will be 25, because I don't believe any of the rest of these will work. So I tried that first one and it works. Okay, there's your answer. But I'm gonna do some more just so you can see how it doesn't work. Let's take the 30. If you take the 30 and let that be the smallest, 40 plus 30 is 70. 70, that would be 100. The sum is 180, so that means this would have to be 40 and 40. Well, that's the median would be 40, and we don't have a 40 to choose from, so that doesn't work. Let's skip down here to 60. Do our 4 people. If this is 60, this would be 60 plus 40 is 100. That's 160, and you're left with 160. That means you're left with 20. So if you split that, 10 and 10, but they're not in increasing order anymore. See, that's out of whack. So you can try, which did I not try? You try the 45, 50, and 55, and you'll see why they don't work. Your answer is slowest is 25, and 45 is your median.